How to add transitions in CapCut. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by installing CapCut application in your device. Once your CapCut is installed, just open up your CapCut application. Then you must select a video in which you want to add the transitions. To add a new video, you can just select on New Project or select any of the video that is existing. Now, if you wish to add transitions over here, all you need to do is simply tap on it. Then firstly, click on the split option. Once you have split on this option, you will see a square button between these video sections. Now to add the transitions, just click on the square box within the sections. Now you can select on the transitions, those are quite popular, or you can even browse on your own. You can choose according to your preference. For an example, let me select this random one over here. You can even select the duration of the video, maintain the speed and more. For the setting, again click on the square box. Then to adjust the duration of the transition, just drag the transition duration or decrease it. It will minimize or increase the speed or the duration of the transition. And that is how you add a transition in your video. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.